What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today, we are unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Man, I'm excited about this. So, not too long ago, we unboxed the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Been loving this thing so far. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. But anyway, we got a different unboxing today because we're unboxing the watch. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Feel that texture? I feel a slight texture difference. Take a look at that watch. Ooh, baby, that is Ultra. That is Ultra. We got the gray one. You already know how it is. Inspect the box a little. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. I found it a little weird that the Ultra and 2, like in the watches, like there's no spacing between it. I think, why? But, I don't make the rules. And we're just gonna jump right into this unboxing. 2 easy peels. Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, and LTE. You already know. I don't know why I named all of them. The only 2 things that matter is Wi-Fi and, LTE. Because this comes with LTE standard. Okay. Let's see here. Let's open this. Samsung, this better come with the charger or I'm gonna be mad. And as you guys can tell, like my Watch Ultra 2, my Watch Ultra 1 is gone because I have the 2 now. Shout out the 1, man. I think I'm really gonna miss that blue and orange accent watch. That was my favorite looking Galaxy watch in my opinion. That thing was beautiful. Okay, I feel the papers. Where's the Samsung, where is the charger? I feel something. Okay, maybe we'll open it from this side. Hey, thank God, Samsung. If y'all were gonna take away the charger from the watch, I was about to be mad. Because nobody just got a Samsung watch charger laying around. Okay, let's put that away, that's not important. Get the charger out, let's see this. It's the same charger, I'm assuming, I hope. Because I lied, I do actually have Samsung watch chargers laying around. I think only one other, but you know what? That's okay. Yes, it is. It looks the same. Cool. We got the charger right here. Let's go ahead and get it out of here. Yep. Break it free. Break it free. Nice long charger. Doesn't even fit in the whole camera. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, we're going to set that off to the side real quick. Ah! My bad, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm going to set that to the side. Okay, the start of the show here. The watch. Oh, this looks awesome. Okay. Ooh, we got a nice little instruction here. Let me take a look here. Okay, looking nice. And here is the watch. Oh my. Wow, the watch band is light. I felt the demo, like at my local Best Buy, I felt the demo and I was like, man, the band, it actually feels really light, but wow, this thing is much lighter. Much, much lighter. And here's the watch, look at that. Beautiful. And you can see shot or getting recorded on my S26 Ultra. Shout out that phone. Man, let me take the sticker off. Now, the one thing that I'm really excited this time around with these watches is the fact that it does have the Snapdragon Wear chipset now. So no more of the Samsung chipset. It's all the not Samsung. What's wrong with me today? It is the Snapdragon chipset, which thank goodness. That chip is so much faster. It's unbelievable. All right, take a look at this. It looks very similar to what we're used to. It does look a little bit thinner, if I'm being honest with you guys. I mean, just kind of take a look here. A little bit thin. We got our sensors and everything on the back here. Man, oh man. Okay, I am gonna put this band on now. Let's go ahead and take this out of here. I got the gray one, so we got one a little basic. We went a little basic. And just take a look at the band. Let's take a look at the band here. And there's a little accent on this band that I'm noticing. Let's see if I can pick it up on the camera here. Ultra, we got a little Ultra branding. I think that's really nice little cute touch if you're asking me. Got the little nice Ultra band. All right, anyway, I'm gonna set my phone down real quick. My Z Fold 8 Ultra. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. So it's really easy to put these bands on. You literally just slide it. Or, whoa, wait, no, it's not a slide anymore. It's a click, I'm pretty sure, right, Samsung? Should be a click, hold on. Well, it's supposed to be easy, okay? Hold on. There we go. Yeah, that is really easy. Wow, okay. I think I'm putting this on the right way. I don't know why. Sorry, guys, it's a little late. I'm recording this a little late. My brain might not be working. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's how you put it on. Yep, that looks about right. Cool beans. And now here's the watch. As you could see, it was very easy to put the bands in, and then you could just press those buttons and take them out. I did see here, let me put this on my wrist real quick. I did see Samsung had different colors, like an orange and a sky blue. I like the orange one. I might just go back to orange. I might buy the orange one, but I mean, for now, I mean, I'll just have the black one or what it came with. And here's the watch. Let's go ahead and boot this puppy up. No questions asked, we're just gonna boot it up. I think I'm pressing. Whoa, not playing. I think I'm pressing the right button here. Maybe it's the top one. Come on. Hey, there we go, Samsung. Dang, this thing is nice. We still got that bezel around, looking really nice. I love the look of this watch. This is such a, I got so many compliments on my my Galaxy Watch Ultra 1. It was insane. I had people with Apple Watches asking me what kind of watch it was. That's when you know you got a nice watch, when the other side is complimenting it. Take a look at that. That is a nice watch. Now, the cool thing about this, aside from the Snapdragon chipset, this is the brightest display on any smartwatch in the market. Oh, man, and y'all can already tell, that is bright. Welcome. Thank you, Samsung. Thank you. All right. So, I'm going to go ahead and pair this thing. Oh, there it is, ready to pair. I'm going to go ahead and pair this thing, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. And just real quick, want to show y'all how easy it is right here. This is my Galaxy Z Trifold, and this thing, bam, popped up right here to connect. You're all set. There we have it. And now just kind of want to show you guys what it looks like on my phone here. Let me pull it up here so y'all can see the screen. But take a look at that. Oliver's Watch Ultra 2. And I know I got to charge this thing. Anyway. Starting, let's take our first look at this watch here. Any minute now, Samsung, any minute. Let's put this in the background here so we can admire that box right there. And the app does look very new. I mean, they did a refresh on the app, as you can tell here. Like that is, oh man, that looks clean, Samsung. Oh, a little animation. There we go. And there she is. Man, you already know I don't need no tour. I know about the Samsung watch. Man, this thing's nice. Look, a lot of upgrades to this thing. Better water dust resistance, brightest display on a smartwatch, Snapdragon chip, noticeably lighter band, thinner watch. This thing is awesome. But hey, that's gonna wrap up our unboxing today. It is late. Take a look at that. Oh, we gotta do a little wrist roll. Oh, all right. Anyways, guys, that is gonna wrap up this video. I appreciate y'all tuning in to the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 unboxing. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about this. Thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.